Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about cephalosporin generations, how to remember which drug belongs to which group. I have found an easy way to recognize them. So let's start. Here you can see first generation starts with Ceph, C-E-F, and there is an A just after Ceph. As we know, A is the first letter, so all those drugs belong to first generation. Here you need to remember one exception, that is Cephaclor, which belongs to second generation. So the drugs having A after Ceph belong to first generation except Cephaclor. Next we will discuss about fourth generation. If there is pi in the name, it belongs to fourth generation. Here you can see it starts with Ceph, but there is no A after Ceph and it contains pi in the name. Fifth generation also starts with Ceph. Here differentiating part is role, R-O-L. If role is present in the name, it belongs to fifth generation. Now suppose there is no A after Ceph and there is no pi or role in the name, so it cannot be first generation, it cannot be fourth generation, and it cannot be fifth generation. Now come to third generation. Observe how the name ends. If it ends with me or 1 or 10, then it belongs to third generation. Here you can see moxalectum you can easily remember because it doesn't start with Ceph. Here you should remember one exception, that is cefuroxime. It ends with me, but it belongs to second generation. So we discussed about first, third, fourth and fifth generation. Now the remaining drugs start with Ceph belong to second generation. That's all guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.